Westermans here again with a AMI 207A, one of the most popular power sources which has probably ever been produced. Also the 227 in that range. This one's fitted with a 9500 air-cooled head. There is actually a 750 head there as well, but can be fitted with water cooling and fit the range of AMI 8 series or 9 series weld head. Quick function test. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, manual purge, sequence start, counting down on the pre-purge, have a weld and a rotation, weld finished. Counting down on the post, make sure she returns to home. More details available on Westermans.com on this and other orbital welding systems. Return back to home. A quick print on the paper and let's see what we have there. Ink's good. Like I say, more details available on Westermans.com on orbital welders and other fabrication equipment and welding equipment, along with profile machines, plasma machines, rotators, column and booms and welding positioners. Thank you for looking.